calendar. A forex economic calendar is useful for traders to learn about upcoming news events that can shape their fundamental analysis. Knowing how to read the forex economic calendar properly is important to maximize your trading prior to and following the most important releases. Checking the calendar every morning will allow you to familiarize yourself with the upcoming event that matters. Next, there are some key tools and resources to trade forex news. First, economic calendar. Economic calendar helps you to know when major data like the US non-farm payroll, GDP, ISM, PPI, and CPI figures are due to be released. Next, central bank calendar. It will show you the information about central bank interest rate decisions can have a profound effect on the financial market. So get to know when they are scheduled. Next, real-time news feed. It helps you to stay up to date with breaking news as it happens with updates from our top analysts. Similarly, get all the major stories of the day plus analysis by following our market news. Next, let's see the top benefit of using a forex economic calendar. First, being able to manage risks effectively. Second, being in a position to plan ahead. Let's discuss in detail risk management, which able to risk manage efficiently. Being able to plan your trades based on the economic calendar events, it means you can ready yourself for potential turbulence in price. Basically, when an event listed on the calendar occurs, there may be expected a period of volatility if data is released well above, below, or in line with expectations. Next, planning ahead. The forex economic calendar allow for planning ahead. For example, if a non-farm payroll report is set to be released, traders will know that this indicator has the potential to move FX market substantially. So, awareness of the timings mean that they can plan their forex trade accordingly. Major economic data has a potential to drastically move the forex market. It is this very movement or volatility that most newer traders seek when learning how to trade forex news. So, I will cover the importance of news in today's video. Next, why to trade the news on forex? Major are volatility, impact of major news release on the forex market, and which major forex news released to trade. As we know, traders are drawn to forex news trading to different reasons, but the biggest reason is volatility. Simply put, forex traders are drawn to news release for their ability to move forex market. News refers to economic data release such as GDP and inflation, and forex traders tends to monitor such releases considered to be of high importance. The largest moves tends to follow a surprise in the data where the actual data contrasts what was expected by the market. The good news here is that you don't have to hold a PhD in economics because our economic calendar already provides economic expectations. Furthermore, new releases are set at predetermined dates and times, allowing traders enough time to prepare a solid strategy. Traders that can effectively manage the risk of volatility at the predetermined times of the news release are well on their way to becoming consistent traders. Next, impact of the major news release on the forex market. Just before a major news release, it is common to witness lower trading volumes, lower liquidity, and higher spread, often resulting in big jumps in price. This is because large liquidity providers, much like retail traders, do not know the outcome of news events prior to their release and look to offset some of this risk by widening spread. While large price movements can make trading major news release exciting, it can also be risky. Due to the lack of liquidity, traders could experience erratic pricing. Such erratic pricing has the potential to cause a huge spike in price that shoots through the stop loss in the blink of an eye, resulting in slippage. Additionally, the wider spread could place traders on margin call if there is not enough free margin to accommodate this. These realities surrounding major news releases could result in a short trading career if not managed properly through prudent money management, such as incorporating stop losses or guaranteed stop losses. In general sense, major currency pairs will have a lower spread than the less traded emerging market currencies and minor currency pairs. Therefore, traders may look to trade the majors Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP USD, AUD USD, USD and CAD to mention a few. Traders needs to be well prepared ahead of time with a clear idea of what event they want to trade and when they occur. It's also important to have a solid trading place in price. Don't think about what the market going to do. You have absolutely no control over it. Think about what you are going to do if it get there. In a particular, you should spend no time at all thinking about those rosy scenarios in which the market goes your way, since in those situations there is nothing more for you to do. Next, which major forex news release to trade? When learning how to trade news, traders must be aware of the major news events that affect the forex market that can be mentioned closely using an economic calendar. US economic data is so influential within the global currency market that it is generally seen as the most important news. It is important to note that not all the news release leads to increased volatility. So, rather, there are a limited number of major news releases that have previously produced the greatest potential to move on the market.